Gold monthly time frame. Monday is your last day of your third quarter of your September month. Last week you saw intraday profit taking. So Monday more profit taking possible if we ignore all the war news. But this is first time since 2012 that on Monday you will have September month closing below. This is first time since 2012. Otherwise each year you always get red gold candlestick. So after this vertical momentum, multiple blue candlestick on monthly chart, these 5 impulsive wave complete ABC flat correction, then next impulsive wave. If we use fifth projection for 5 impulsive wave, then new impulsive wave after flat correction, then 100% projection 2643 hit last month. So this is your level based on monthly time frame and based on closing price on monthly for intraday trader. 2500 psychological level is your only support level because price is going up since beginning of the year, so it need correction, can be sharp or it can be sideways correction, because once Q3 and Q4 begin this week, all the big player they will wait for big correction because current price is highly overbought. So RSI on monthly time frame is still overbought. So gold is waiting for correction on higher time frame. Weekly RSI also overbought. So price breakout 61% projection, 3 weekly candlestick constantly up. If you saw demand, then ETF buyer they have begin buying gold, going mad out rate cut. COT they increased their position once again last week. Number one gold consumer market China, they are doing economic stimulus. So if economy grow, number one consumer market, because of high price or maybe their deflation same like Japan, consumer demand is decreasing right now. So if stimulus work in future, more demand can come from number one consumer market and your number two consumer market India. So this is the week when their buying season begin, and entire October month, or you can say till November election and November FOMC meeting, there will be flood of buyers. So this week crowd in jewelry shop, let's see how much buyers come this week. But buying season from number two consumer market will start this week. So you can say all of those demand are coming at the same time starting this week. Same with daily time frame, it is also overbought RSI. Static support level is still same, 2480 area, 2530 and 2 trend line. So if price come down, make sideways correction. By the time retest happen, after this dynamic support level, 2590 will be your first static support level. Then 2530. So let's see what it do, retest horizontal support or trend line. After this triangle chart pattern breakout, price start rising from here, and if you see at ABC flat correction, this can be WXY wave or possible 1345 wave. Then projection target after this flat correction for wave Y or 3, 61% projection was 2671, and you can see multiple daily candlesticks showing rejection on that area. So price clearly wake out 100% projection, now struggling at 61% projection. So 2671 first resistance, 2590 first support, and your trend line, these are your only chart pattern. But technically gold highly overbought because people are going mad after rate cut news. So let's see what correction come, sideways or zigzag. If you see intraday M30 time frame, then price made new all-time high 2685. So price technically is still below psychological level 2700. So it was sideways range. So kill all the buyer SL, made new low of the range. So this was your head and shoulder chart pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, then neckline breakout. Now neckline retest is happening. So this trend line plus this resistance zone near 2660. This is your first resistance zone. Static resistance zone and dynamic trend line. So if more profit taking come on Monday because of last day of quarter and month, so possibility it can make new intraday low, but in that case 2590 will be first static big support level. Then it will be India gold buying demand. So flood same like August month, come or not that will decide. But past few weeks India gold demand was only thing that they were not buying with full power. Except them, everyone in buying mode. And let's see when all gold buying demand return at the same time, what gold do. For intraday scalper 2660, this is your big resistance zone. If this level break out on retest, buy, or if this level does not break out, then on retest you can sell. But I think after long period, gold need a serious correction that can be sideways or zigzag on higher time frame. If you see news this week, you can say this is a big week, all the big news at the same time, and you can expect like mini FOMC meeting this week. So Monday Fed speech, then first day of new month, jobs, manufacturing PMI, and 3 Fed speech. Then October 2 ADP employment. This is your mini NFP gold do action all the time. Then 3rd October jobs claim, service PMI. It is most important. If service PMI come down, then it will affect Indian economy. That will affect your number 2 gold consumer market. So not just October, till new US president give his speech in 2025, all those timing there is India buying session. So if service PMI goes down, US goes into recession, panic start, then you can expect there will be bad effect on Indian economy. So number 2 consumer market. Same day Fed Bostic and Kaskari speech. On Friday your NFP. So all economic indicator will come this week, but at the same time all FOMC member will give you instant review of those economic indicator. So if you see CPI going down, PCE going down, that create deflation risk. That was the reason gold came down Friday after PCE number. But it is only core PCE which is showing uptick. If we ignore core PCE, then there is a deflation risk. Or if we only see core PCE, then there is second inflation wave risk which increased more last week after China stimulus. That's why gold break out more last week. So core PCE and China stimulus are only thing which create inflation risk. Otherwise, CPI and PCE going down very fast, and PCE can hit below 2% before the next FOMC meeting. For scalper on daily chart, if you see all support and resistance, 2671, the fib projection target for third or Y wave, and this trend line retest your dynamic support, static support 2590 and 2530. But right now at current price, first rate cut is now history, and question is when their QT will stop and when they will do last cut. Go back to 0% or only 2%. For scalper, either wait for retest of trend line or support zone. But you can say as long as price trading above these two trend line, gold is bullish. If trend line break out, then we can expect trend reversal starting. But until goes down $200, it will not confirm technically that reversal begin, which totally depends on real rate and India Diwali gold demand. है।